My Million Dollar Chicken Casserole is the perfect dish for a busy weeknight. In a large bowl, combine shredded chicken, softened cream cheese, cottage cheese, sour cream, cream of chicken soup, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix until everything is well incorporated. In a separate bowl, combine crushed Ritz crackers with melted butter. Add your casserole mixture to a greased baking dish, spread into an even layer. Top with mozzarella cheese and crushed Ritz crackers. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes until the top is golden brown. You can find more easy weeknight meal ideas on my website.